Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can stop auto downloads on Telegram. So this is something you need to do, else once you log on your Telegram you're going to download videos and images automatically. Even if you don't want them, Telegram is going to download them automatically. So follow the procedure to turn this off and then manage how you download files on your Telegram anytime you're on there. So now you move to your settings here. You can see I just move to settings like this. I scroll down here and then I move to my data and storage here, and then you can see automatic media download here. By default all is being turned on, so you can see when you're on data, when you're on a Wi-Fi, and when you are roaming. So all you need to do is just turn them all off. So anytime something is being sent in a channel, a private chat, or a group, you would have to download it by yourself before you can see the image. So that's it. This way is going to help you save data and prevent you from downloading unwanted stuff on your Telegram. So that's it for how you can stop automatic media downloads on your Telegram. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.